So here we have one of those typical radio or television contests in which you have a completely random chance of winning the prize so long as you can do one specific thing. So Bo has these Scrabble tiles that spell out Saskatchewan. Somebody comes up, they flip them over randomly in whatever order they pick, and if they actually spell out Saskatchewan, Sally, who's playing, will win a new card. So the probability that Sally will win the card, well, we need to look at favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. And I'm going to do this separately just because of the complexity of the math. For the favorable outcomes, you might say, well, there's only one way to spell Saskatchewan. Well, not quite. Because of the repetition, there's multiple ways of spelling Saskatchewan. So I'm going to look here. We have two S's that could actually show up in either spot. So right now, there's two possible ways of spelling Saskatchewan. Actually, 2 factorial. We also have 1, 2, 3 A's that show up in the spelling. So that gives us 3 factorial. So we actually have, I tried to skip a step there, so we actually have 2 times 6, or we have 12 favorable outcomes, simply because of the repetition of the letters. It doesn't matter which of those spots an A shows up in, so long as one of the A's actually shows up. As for the total outcomes, well, Saskatchewan is a 12-letter word. So there are 12 factorial ways of rearranging those letters. But we have the repetition that we need to look at. We have the 2 S's, 2 factorial. We have the 3 A's, 3 factorial. Head over to the calculator, do 12 factorial, 479,001,600. Divide that by, we've already done 2 factorial times 3 factorial, so that's 12. Divide that out, 39,916,800 total outcomes. And I just can't relate the E and the S because this wants to keep flipping pages on me. So then our probability will be 12 favorable outcomes out of 39,916, not 880, but 800. Go to the calculator, that would be 3 times 10 to the minus 7. Or if we wanted to go to a decimal, we would have 6 zeros in front of that 3. And if we wanted to go to a percent, we'd multiply by 100. Significantly less than 1%. So if you've ever wondered why the radio shows offer such extravagant prizes, such as a new car, this is why. They know the math. They know the chances of anybody winning this are so incredibly small that they will almost never have to give away that car.